Alright, so we got this rusted abomination here. We're gonna see if this thing will start. Might even take it for a drive this week. But I don't know. This thing has been running quite a while. You can see she's seen better days. But definitely gonna see if we can get her running quickly. It's got lunchtime now, so we take our lunch break, see if we can get this thing running on the lunch break quickly. Keep it tuned.
They're gonna call it just strip it because we're gonna strip it.
No, it's got a bad better name than that. It's got moss on the windows. Could be Moss Man, bro. Check the wipers. Too close to Mossy. So there we go, connecting a battery. Should probably make sure it's in neutral. Probably is though. Right, let's go. First crank, let's see if it cranks. Oh, we have action.
Right now, it's just running around, not ready to start.
You said get ready, where's the fuel?
Just sit
And then
there,
I
no
put the
spark.
fuel in.
I
And
said
then you
no
do that
spark,
to me.
Remember?
See what I have to put up with, guys. So we've got me and Mr. Mustard here in his military attire. Looking slim, as you can see. Ladies, the calendar is coming, I promise you. He's angry about it, but it is coming. Gab, we're going to try to start the Moss Donkey and see how it goes.
Maybe you will never go through about names.
Well, until we find a name for it. It's called the Moss. Alright, I gotta hold my breath because I'm down to eat some stuff now. Wait. Okay, let's go. 11 inlines. Let's go. Oh. Okay, wait. I need to get in there. I can't reach over the damn bolts.
Let's go.
Dumb ways to die.
Put that thing, that pipe that's loose. Maybe we can see if it sucks.
Huh?
Put that pipe in that's loose there. Maybe you can see if it fucking sucks.
It's too low down.
You never know.
I'm gonna put your lips there because we know they suck. Let's go, bitch.
Sucking the fuel or not?
No,
Nothing.
it's not sucking. Fuel pump's diaphragm is probably tired, right? After all this time, those little rubbers are probably worn out. Ja, gooi. One.
Sounds off, yeah?
This truck sounds nice. This is our new shop truck, bro. Rather stuck with
Now coffee is full of dust.
Yeah. It's toast, a successful one.
It's very clear though.
Yeah, here's number three. Number three, number three. Let's go, number three. I just let him let it in, bro.
On mossy, what did you call this fucking thing? I don't know. Something moss, I don't know what you call it. Anyway, we've got some fuel hooked up there. I fitted a new fuel pump. It's a struggle to get the right fittings, but after a couple of leaks and a couple of pumps that's in, it seems to be pulling in some fuel from the donkey. Yeah, but we're trying to start this thing, and then yeah, of course the starter will pack up. So yeah, that's the old starter, and our good old friend Bidwell is busy fitting another starter for us. So hopefully she starts, and I just want to drive her forward. Right, so the starter is on. Let's
Okay.
no clutch.
No clash.
Let's try to bleed her. Let's try to bleed that thing quickly.
So we got Arno in his military attire again today, ready. We are building, what is this one called?
I don't know.
You must know, you gave it a name on your last video.
Some horse name or something.
Morse, this is going to be in the video, just the way you're talking, you know, people are going to hear how you praat. Come bro. We'll start again. There's Mostert in his military attire. What's the name of your truck?
Voluptuous Lucy.
Voluptuous Lucy. Oh, jeez. Poor Lucy looks like she's been around the block a few times. we got oil pressure. He's gonna take it now. Come on, see. Let's go with the aluminium racer and see what we can do today, bro. Oh, engine pulls nice though, eh?
Check if it's got brakes.
Well, sort of, not really. No, brakes are luxuries, but we don't need brakes. No, we don't have any brakes.
Water is just running out of this roof now.
Oh, this one goes like it, bro.
All the gears.
Oh, it just needs brakes and a bit of a clutch fix with it over there. Try and take a chance, bro, you'll die, yeah. Don't take a chance with us.
I just knew you were gonna do this now.
Around, obviously there's a lot of fucking no brakes, no brakes.
Handbrake. We have to go around the block again for this, but just before we. The gap is even pushing there. Oh my word. Now this guy's gonna reverse here. Always have to be some sort of obstacle in our way.
Just all this water pouring down there.
How are we gonna reverse?
I don't know, are we? Looks like we are. There's now another truck coming.
Struggling with the Hippo then, eh? Handbrake. What the fuck was that? What was that?
I'm trying to get a brake.
Yeah, but that noise, it was like.
Yeah, I'm gonna pump the clutch. Am I missing the what?
not gonna make it.
I know. That's what you call millimeters. There's bullets in there, by the way. Just so you know. Ammunition, live rounds. I'm running around with live rounds. Gonna have to jumpstart us again, bro. Well, it seems we had a fatality on that one. We blew the radiator, or the radiator hose. So that one's back inside now, as you can see.